my bagels. I'm sorry, I have to situate this. Anyways, welcome back to another video, and as you may know, you're like, cool pup, what the heck happened to your look? You're not pink long anymore. Well, it's because now I have a purple long! Wow! I'm so weird. I can't find the same shade as this tail. Is it this? No, it's like darker. But then it's like I can't find the exact same shade. So I'm just going to have to deal with this shade for now because I do like this shade and it really matches. I'm trying to get light purple cupids. I don't know. I'll only trade this tail for like something cool. Like if someone traded me the light purple cupids and purple long wrist, then I would be happy and I would live my life. But overall right now, I'm gonna hold on to my tail until, all that Gucci stuff. I think I might just trade my light blue cupids. I don't know, or my pink ones, but I really want to get a pink long again. But I love my purple long, and I don't want to trade it away for like a high class orange and pink long. I don't want to do that. No. I don't want to do that. I just want to live peacefully. My back is like aching today. Why is my back aching? My art for Friendly Storms art competition is still being reviewed. I think it may take like over a week because they have so much art to get through. But this is my favorite masterpiece that I possess. This is from Ruckus, and I think he may have quit because he's a non-member now. When I last saw him, he was a member, and it says he was playing 14 days ago. So we don't have the money to buy membership. Animal Jam isn't just fun anymore. Animal Jam, you really need to fix that. Because if I became non-member, is that what you really want on this channel? Or I'd be my wolf. I just didn't want to mess up my wolf's look. Anyways, I'd be like my bunny, my panda, or my wolf. And I would most likely choose my wolf and my bunny, but I don't care. But do you really want this cheap thing on my channel? Like I can wear these binoculars. It's gonna be my new channel mascot. Okay, but no, I need to change that. But it's just not fun, Animal Jam. You make it where you automatically have to buy a membership. Like if you're a non-member and, I just won this giveaway for a purple long spike collar. Let me just go to my turn. I can't wear it? It's just sad for them because they can't do anything that us members do get to do. But I do buy membership. I have to say that. Because I just want to play the game fun and make videos. Because when I do trade up, it literally is only taken me 2 years to get this purple long spike. But the average to get like a long spike collar is like 2 years. But like what the heck? Not like a purple long, like maybe like a bad long. But I got like my pink long like 2 months ago. And then, as you could see in my other video, I traded it up with some other pretty better items for my purple long. And this video is probably really boring for you guys. I'm just sitting here talking, but maybe it's entertaining for some of you guys because Flamestar isn't on right now. But we had a deal that I would trade him 2 spikes on Play Wild for a short spike on here. So I think we're both going to be recording at that time to make sure we're not scamming. None of us are scamming. Now, I would not absolutely not scam him. Because he's like the best friend that I've ever had. Because ever since this one friend that I had just like quit. I don't know, but it was so sudden because she hasn't been on in like years. It's been like a year now and she hasn't been on. So it's most likely that she got old and she quit. I'll show you guys her. You gotta go slowly. The only way to do it, guys, is to go slowly. Just wait. Just a little wait. Just a little wait. A little wait. She's in the peas, so... Let me see her. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is her. More than 30 days has she been on. This is her. It's been more than 30 days that this girl has been on. More than 30 days. I always like wondering, did she ever get like a pink long spike and like hide it from me? But I'm not that jelly now. No, she has this spike. But I think she would be pretty jelly of me now if she ever, like, are these real? No, I don't think they're real. I don't think they're real glossies. But if she ever ended up logging back on, like, just one day, I think she would be, like, the jelliest girl of me. She'd be, like, so jelly that I'm, like, wearing my purple long, and I think we'd still hang out and be good friends, but she'd just be really jelly of me. Because I actually got like a pink long wrist. Actually, someone gifted it to me. Then she's like, OMG, I'm so glad for you. She wasn't that. Then she got a blue long wrist and traded it for a pink long wrist, so we were both even. One time I went to a gifting party and someone gifted me a short spike wristband. And then, yeah, so then I also had a purple long wrist thing. And then someone went to my dad and they were being so nice. They were like, trade me any masterpiece. And I was like, okay. Then they traded me a pink short spiked collar. Then I traded it. Then 2 seconds later, she traded me some more items. She traded me like a sheep cloak, some nerd glasses. I traded my nerd glasses away for this. But it was fair, okay? Anyways, she was super nice. She said she was gonna quit either today or next week because mom members can do masterpieces. I feel sort of bad because I should have just given her my masterpiece token so she could do some art by herself. I don't think she knew about those. R.I.P. But I mean, I think she gave me the rarest items there. Because, I was like, to stay in my list for a pink short. Then she gave me the pink short. Plus, and I got to keep the 2 wristbands. So then I traded it up for my pink long. And then I traded my pink long some other betas that I've collected up for some time now. That at this point, I think I should have added the tail as well to make it a bit even out. But I didn't want to. Because I want a purple long wrist, and yeah, the light purple cupids. So Flamestar, if you're watching, that's what I want for this tail, because I know he absolutely wanted this tail, and it doesn't look that much better on my Arctic Wolf. I mean, it gives it a little bit of a touch, but it wouldn't be my new main look. It looks fine either way, but I need those 2 items to complete my look. So yeah, or trade me up purple, or this would make my day if you traded me a pink long for it. Which is so unfair, I know, but still. Yeah, I want a pink long. I want another pink long, but, you know, you don't have to. I'm just saying, not doing. You can either trade me my purple short, and also for our deal on Play Wild, I want a purple short. I'm sorry, I'm the purple girl. Or a pink, yeah, no, never mind. Trade me a pink short. I need a pink short. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed my talkative mouth this episode. This video. But I guess I will see you in the next video. Also, Flamestar do my trade deals with me, and it's this Flamestar if he's not on. So, you know, Flamestar do my trade deals with me, and we'll both be happy in the end, because I want a purple short, and you want the tail, and all that Gucci stuff. So, hope you guys enjoyed this big video, and how long it is, but I hope if you got through this far, congratulations. You have been awarded the Cool Pup Safety Plaque. Yeah, you've been awarded the Cool Pup Safety Plaque. So you've been awarded. So anyways, once again, my purple cupids, I will be changing my profile picture. Or if he gives me another pink long, then I will keep it. But I'm sort of hoping that I can try to trade up to another pink long, but I think that'll take me another year of work unless you guys can help me by gifting me stuff. But, you know, you don't have to. Just one thing that mostly helps me is if you like and subscribe and comment your username down below to join my giveaway. For a masterpiece now, because I traded my other one away for my purple long, okay? Okay. Anyways, bye, my little bagels.